Hi guys, my name is Divine and welcome to Legit Money Update, where we teach you how to make money online. If you are new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, the like button and comment. In today's video, we'll be teaching you how to create a PayPal account. Go into there. So the website we'll be using today, the PayPal account is www.paypal.com/ae. I'll be sending it on my description box. And when I'm posting this video, so you can just go there, and when you open the app you see it open on Google just like this one, and what you just click on it, and while we are waiting for it to load, so you can see it on the paper: send money, pay online and set up your merchant account. Actually this is a merchant account we're trying to set up, so we'll smash the paper: send money, pay online and set up a merchant account. So when we open it, this is what it will actually show. To take a little time, so let us wait a little so that it will load. While you're watching this video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it. So however, you can see what's showing there. However, you do business paper fits, so down there you see sign up, but you can also see create account up there. So you can click on any one of your choice and it will show up like this. So we'll click on sign up. When we click on sign up, it will show two things beside at the right corner of it. I don't know if you have seen it. It will show you two things by the right hand corner. Let's watch thoroughly and you see it. Just stop whatever you're doing, watch this video. It's a bit tricky, but you have to watch it. So you see personal account and a business account. Shop in your country, around the world, with your computer or in a mobile, or with sharing your financial info with the sellers. While the business account accepts payments and send invoices to your customers, it's easier and more secure to sell anywhere and anytime. Yeah, actually, like I said in the intro, I told you we'll be creating a business account. So click on the business account and click on the blue button there, and it will show up something. So if you are enjoying this video, kindly smash the like button and the subscribe button and comment if you have any problem or challenge alongside this tutorial, so that I can quickly give you feedback on it. So we're already clicking on it, so we are going to set up the account, putting in our Gmail. So in this account, if you already have a PayPal account, you can't use that Gmail you use in opening a PayPal account. So the PayPal account that you open might not be a merchant PayPal account. So this is a video on how I set up a merchant PayPal account. So this is what will show up. It usually takes time to load whenever you're clicking on the button, continue button. So let's just wait a little bit. So while we are waiting, let me give you something that you need to understand in this tutorial today. So in this tutorial, whenever you're setting up a PayPal account, first you need a MasterCard ATM card. If you don't have any, if you don't have a MasterCard, you can use a Visa card if you have that one. But if you have a debit card, it will not actually work, because I don't know how to explain it to you, but it won't actually work. So you need a MasterCard account, a MasterCard card, or a debit or a Visa card, and you see other things. So let's quickly sign up for a business account. So let's put in our Gmail in there. Let's quickly put in that Gmail. So let's continue. Oh, I'm sorry, I've already used the Gmail to open the PayPal account, so I think I should use another Gmail that will actually work. Continue. Who is using all this my Gmail to open a PayPal account? I'm really sorry for that. Let's still try one other Gmail that I have. I think this one will work because I haven't used this one to open a PayPal account before. So let's just use that one to open a PayPal account. Continue. Yeah, you can see you just put in your password. Put in a password that you know you can remember, like you can fully remember this password. Nevertheless, I'll be dropping the link. Because of you might not see the screen clearly, so I'll be dropping the link down on my description box below the site to create a merchant business account. So I'm really sorry for that. Due to the compatibility of my system, you can't carry most of the screen record. So I'm actually using Zoom. That's why you're seeing that blue stuff at the right corner of the video. So we are going to talk about our business contact. So in this business contact, we are going to use our name and our first name and our last name. But I made a mistake. I put in my business name instead of my first name. So I think I should erase that and put in my name and my last name. Down my business details. That will be your business name. Your business name. That's all you put in there. Alright, waiting for that to set up. Then add your business phone number. You put it in your country. That's your country code, and that's Nigeria. You can see it works for all the country, but if it doesn't work for your country, kindly comment down there so I'll think on, and I'll tell you the one that you can use that will actually for your country and also support that. Most of these websites also support, so kindly comment down there if it doesn't work, or if you're having any issues that is bothering you on this stuff, or there's something that I didn't do well that you want to tell me. I'm always open to hearing, so you can just comment down there. So you will see the business address under the business address. So I'm actually in Benin City, Nigeria. So that's the PO box, and you will see this Emirate. Most of you don't understand it. It's actually where I don't know how to put it. Is Emirates is where your business is actually coming from. That's which currency actually supports there. So these are Emirates. So I'm actually using Abu Dhabi. So that's what I'm using. So the currency type we are using is dollar. We actually see some other currency, but the high paying one that I love is dollar. So anyone of your choice, like the person can send. It's usually dollar that people send. So to describe your business type, use our business name, search some other stuff, and so you can just comment in, just put in there. Just click and you see is individual, proprietorship, corporation. If it's a corporate account, if it's a sole proprietor account, if it's a business or a company account, just sit there. If it's a partnership account, you see there. So you put in your business product keyword. So I'm gonna use business service. But you can type in any keyword there. Once it pop out, just click on it and continue. You can just create your own, but anyone that knows along in that angle, just create it. So like I said, if you are enjoying this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe to the channel, comment, and comment anything bothering you. Just comment down there and I'll give you a solution to it this tutorial. So honestly, so much like it. Thanks. So let's continue with the video. So I'm using I was trying to put in business consultant, but it didn't work. So So I'll be clicking on the business services. It's also under it, like it's also part of it, how to do business service, business consultancy, entrepreneurship, registering of CAC if you want to register your business under the CAC Corporate Affairs Commission body. You can just connect and also create register you on the CAC body. Just very cheap. So we'll be clicking on the business services. So the website, if you have a website, you can add a website there, but I don't have a website for now, but I'll skip that. So you put in your date the business was established. So I'm putting in my own April 2015. So next, I'll tell them about your date of birth. So let's quickly fill in that date of birth. Identity document. If you have a national ID card, your passport, your international passport, your driver's license, let's put in there. You have a national ID card, so I've put in the number there. That tell us more about your business. You just answer some video that they actually want to know about your business. So that's we'll quickly answer the survey. We are done answering the questions. Almost done, so just click on continue, but we're almost done with the question. So I think this is the last question I'm about to answer. Like I usually say, if you are enjoying this video, please like the video if it's helpful. Like if you don't understand anything or it's not too clear to you, most comments, I'll answer the question very fast. So let's dive in back to the video and continue with it. Already done answering the survey question, so let's click on the continue button right now so that you can put in your security exchange. If it's Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, anyone, if it's Naira, dollar, anyone at all, you can just put it there. But I'm accepting Bitcoin and that's a way of exchange. So click on continue. So you certify and submit information for your business name, and you click certify and submit. If you want to make changes on the name, just click make changes on that name. So while we're waiting for that to go, like I usually say, subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any question. So waiting for it to go. So this is the paper account that you have finally set up. I know you've done yours too, so it's quite easy. Just put in your debit card, your debit or credit card, anyone of your choice, and you are done setting up PayPal account. And if you want to make changes, you just go to your profile and make some changes on that. And that's all you have done setting up your PayPal account. I'm just planning to do this.